Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Plastering International. We build warehouses with a lot of passion. So just now I just want to show you the progress of one of our warehouses. So one side our block work is going on. So there you can see there is a block work. Okay, and another side this is plastering work over the block wall is going on. In one end our team is doing this painting job. This you can see all the purlins we have painted. Now these columns are prepared for this fireproof coating right now. So once we did this fireproof coating over the columns, that outside columns, we are going to start this cladding with this sandwich panel. So here is the painting work is going on. Here the block wall is covered with cement slurry. Here the first coat of plastering is finished. So now we have a final coat is pending. We already put up the sandwich panel over the roof, so it will make our job easy. So here above the block works we have installed these angles, steel angles. It's 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So on both sides we have installed these angles, so it will make extra support for this block walls. We are installing the block wall like this. So this steel angles we have welded with the existing column in the alternate positions. So these all will make our block works extra strong. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.